beware of this when shopping for your insurance. This is Jerry Nicolo, Real Insurance Talk with Huff Insurance. A few weeks ago, I put out the top 5 things to look for when you're shopping online to move your insurance. I threw in a bonus 6, but just came across another one the other day. Nancy got a call. Somebody said they found their auto insurance much cheaper because they wanted to add their youthful operator, their kid, which you should do when they get permitted. Let the insurance company know. But the premium jumped by a few $1,000s. So immediately, there was issues with, some claims and stuff like that, which we explained that's why her premium was a little higher. But immediately, person wants to shop, and that's fine. And she comes back and says, I found this for, it's saving me $2,000 from what you guys are quoting, and it's the same coverage. And the first question Nancy asked was, well, you had a couple towing claims and you had an accident that was your fault. Did you tell them about that? She came back and said, well, no, I assumed they pulled the reports to get the rate. Don't assume. Nancy went right back to her and said, look, call them back, tell them about your tow claims, tell them about your at-fault accident, and then see if they did pull the reports. And if that's the rate, that's the rate. Congratulations. But she calls back the next day and just says, add my kid to the policy. We're going to stay with you. Because sometimes when you're shopping around, they want to get you that rate. And then they want to get your down payment and get that policy enforced. And then they go and pull the reports after the fact. And then come back a week later, maybe 2 weeks later. They have up to 45 days and say, hey, we found these on the reports. Therefore, your premium now jumped up to this. And they're hoping that since you've already moved to them, have the policy enforced, you've already canceled your last one, they're hoping that you're not going to cancel this one. They just hope you're going to pay the additional premium and move on.